What is going on, fishing the southbound? So, looks like my hat's a little crooked. Let's straighten that up. Air tackle. Alright, so I'm on my way to the boat. We're going to do a little boat tour for y'all. So, basically how I keep all my stuff in the boat, what all of my compartments has got in, what I got with the boat, the new stuff that's coming onto the boat, basically how we're going to operate it for this coming season. And basically an update, and I may even, I don't know, I don't think I got my cameras with me. I think my phone's the only thing. This is why I'm taping on actually right now. Kind of weird. I may have forgot my cameras at the house. I know, I think I got this one. Yeah, I got this little LT, but I just got to charge the batteries up with my uncle's. My uncle's got the charger. I don't have a SIM card though. Crap. Oh, we're going to do something with the phone then. We'll probably take the phone. So, I may even do a little bit of pond fishing down there at this house. For what the thermometer on my truck says is 46 degrees. I had to look at it on the actual fucking shit. Bleep that out. I don't know how to do that then. But I had to look at it on the radar. Well, weather. See what it's like. But I'll let you know where I'm gonna throw. Guys, fish yourself out. See you when we get to the boat. So what's going on? I'm here at the boat. Do a fisher boat tour. A 1999 Ranger R61. I'll show you basically what I got to start off with the console. So here we go. It's got your basic console stuff, trim up, trim down, all your switches, light switches. Keep my scale right here. Scale doubles for a ruler. Scale sits still. Sorry. Charge board. Trim up, trim down. Got the Garmin 93 SV. See, let's go to frequently used. Let's go to my combination number 2. My combination number 2, which is going to be my down scan, my side scan, my mapping. Got different combinations. Combination number 1, it's got your regular traditional sonar, your mapping, and your down scan. Our clear view is what it's called. And you got what I use, combination number 2. Then you got your navigation and your traditional sonar. So let's go back to it. Now we're looking at the chart for a second. That's all your combinations. You customize your combinations. Got your charts right here, your navigational chart. See right now as I'm sitting here, next term is at Murray. There's Lake Watery. There's Lake Murray right here. 99 foot in depth right there. And we're putting in, see where's that at? There's, damn, so we're gonna put in about around right there. I say, I know this thing ain't touchscreen. So that's the console part of this boat. Go to the front. Got the Minnesota Fortrex on here. Cutco Garmin SV. This is the 7-inch SV. Does all it needs. Got the tool holder. And what I run up here, you can hear it, transducer up there popping. Loading maps, US Lake maps. And what I run up here on this is just traditional side scan, sonar, down scan. I run that up here. That's what I run on this. So that's front. The spot that does it all. Let's go back to the back. Don't want to, you know what's in the engine compartment and stuff. I keep life vests, some markers, camera equipment. My favorite part of this Ranger boat is the live well. It ain't a split live well, but with cold tags, you know what to do. Over here is where we keep road, more like no life vests, more stuff. Got the American tackle marker, guard, pro staff, American tackle, pro staff, weight bait sticker, microwave, tackle outlet.net, England AI, Hardline, Wisco, Boyson, tackle warehouse. Got that up here. Rod locker. Right now I got one extra rod. It's a HMG. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 rods in here. Keep all my lines lined up in here. Extra reels in the back. Here on this side, it's got all tackle boxes all the way back to the very back. You can't see. Crankbaits, some soft plastics, jigs, some deep divers. Over here, I got a frog box right there, spinnerbait box. Not gonna take all these out. Terminal tackle, a little bit of terminal tackle in there. Some storm front stuff, some storm, some different crankbaits, miscellaneous stuff. It's a soft plastic box at the very bottom. And that's really it. That's all I gotta say about the boat. That's all was in it. So guys, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Fishing South's out.